everyone. Today on Hello Susan, I want to share a freebie that I'm offering on payhip.com. That's where all of my digitals are available. And this is a freebie to you to thank you for supporting my YouTube channel and my digitals. I sure appreciate all of you. And I'm so happy that you're here. Okay, so what it comes with is it's 2 sheets. The first one can be a journal page, or it can be your annual Christmas letter that you write, or you can just cut it out and use it for whatever you want to do. That's what that one is. Then you've got some ephemera to go with it, and this one has a belly band and tags and then these circles, and then it's got some journal cards. And here's some words right here. Now my thought process with this is I have this punch, and it does a scallop circle, and it's a 2-inch punch, and that fits exactly on that circle. And so what you do is you punch it out just like this. That's one that I have punched out right there. That's that one. You punch them all out, and then you can put them together to make a garland. And I'm going to show you how I did it and walk you through the process. And I'm also going to do another little project today. Let me go ahead and get everything punched out and put together, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got this project done. It was so fun. Okay, so the first thing I did was I used my punch and I punched out all the circles, and I did 3 layers. Let me see, can you see that? Yeah, you can see that fine. I did some book pages in between the 2 images from the kit. I tied bows. I put it on a string, a little gold string that has glitter on it. I could have sewed it all the way together, but I wanted to glue it. So I glued everything to the string first. Then I added this tinsel twine, so that it would be more festive, and that's all on the back. And I made it just long enough that I could hang it above my craft station where I video everything. So I used every one of them. So you can see the red birds, you can see the leopard. If you're not a leopard person, leave the leopard off. And that one's got the flowers, and here's some pink roses. And then the backs are all different too. So in case it gets flipped, it looks cute on both sides. Then I did the same thing. I cut this circle out of cardstock. Isn't that cute? And behind it, I put some that gold glitter mesh that I have. And then I got a piece of paper and I scored it every 1/4 inch. And then I accordioned it all together, glued it together, and then you put it together, and then you flatten it out, and then it forms this dial. So that's that. And then I bought this paper that's very heavy cardstock, but it's glitter on one side, and it does not flake off or anything. And I put a piece of net, and then I put a little topper on there. So I think that's going to look really cute in a pocket, or on the cover, or just any place on your tree. I think that's a cute little ornament. So that's what you can do with the freebie. That's the Christmas leopard. Hope you enjoy it. See you next time. Bye-bye.